Hey everybody, and welcome to another another video for today. Blue, he got a little bit more calm. I can pet him a little bit more easily. I think he just needed a little bit of alone time for the morning. But let me share the camera with. Let me switch the camera around to him. So this is Blue. I haven't brushed my hair yet, so don't be looking at me like crazy. So this is Blue. Ow. These things, they hurt. This is Blue. He got a little bit more. Okay, he didn't get that calm. He didn't get. He been calm. He was calm a little bit ago. I'll tell you that. Oh, there we go. Okay, no, not there we go. Oh, don't bite me. Don't bite me. I'm scared. I'm scared of them biting me. I do not like it when they bite me. Like, not at all. So that's why I want to be gentle on him. Make sure he feels at home. He pooped a whole lot. You do not want to look at that. That's Blue. Blue's like, what in the world? What is happening? Like, what in the world? So I think I'm gonna wait for him to poop a little bit more because I don't have a lot of those things, and I don't think he can get into them. So I'm only going to have to clean them out once every 2 weeks or so. I'm going to put some feed into his feed bowl, some treats. Yeah. Now I'm doing, like, if it's a girl, her name would still be Blue. But I'm thinking it's a boy. For a boy would be a little bit better. It's just I like the name Blue for this one. For Blue the bird. Yeah, I like that name. So he can. Oh, sorry, Blue. Sorry. I'm doing it. I'm petting him. Okay, I guess you don't like it. Well, we can pet him a little bit now. We cannot pet him. I mean, he's still a really brave bird, especially for a baby, because he's, but I think it's because he's been around people, like, his whole life at the pet store. Maybe that's why he's not, like, just running right out the house, and he's actually staying in he's actually staying inside, because we opened the door a lot, like and we don't just crack it so he won't fly out. We actually, like, open it big, and he's not doing anything. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. Oh, it feels really Blue. I can't tell you how soft Blue feels. He's just a little baby right now, so that's why he bites. He don't know better. Who don't know better? Who don't know better? He's looking at me like, what in the stinking name of world? Well, that's what I'm gonna say to end it up for this episode, because yeah, it's been 4 minutes already. That's why I need y'all to watch the whole watch the season, or whatever it's called. I forgot what it was called. 'Cause I need And so the way to help to make longer videos is for you to watch this video, like this video. Well, not like hit the like. Okay, yeah. Watch this video, like this video, or I'm not telling you to like this video, but please try to enjoy it. Because it's going to be fun, especially if you ask your friends to start watching it for more followers, for more time, and more time means more fun, because more fun plus more time means more training, which means more crafty stuff instead of just showing up birds. So I really need y'all to tell your friends about this series. Oh, finally. Got it right, series. That's what it's called. About this series. Please, please, please. And I will see y'all on the next episode. Bye, guys.